their faces twist in and again and confusion.
हो गया?
इंग्लिश रीडर की बुक। Every day the fairies who served Lord Sun came to this well. आगे they climbed down from heaven. On a web made by लगातार
अगर और जाले से घर जा रहे थे, रास्ते में उन्हें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट की एक दुकान दिखाई दी। अचानक अमर किट का उसने निषद से कहा, देखो निषद, इस दुकान पर कितने सारे गैजेट हैं। लोग लिव इन अ वेल एवरी डे। द fairies who served Lord Sun from his well, they lighted down from heaven on a web made by spiders, and they while their back
went back to the क्या लिखा है? buckets
with water and went back to home.
later
in
his mouth
and
hid
in the well in
the fairies from heaven came
for
water singing their song.
खेलने से शरीर पर कोई
नकारात्मक प्रभावित रहने से मोटापा
भी बढ़ता है। There was a young man named Naldo. एक जवान था, उसका नेम नाल्डो था। He wanted to marry Sky Middle. वो एक स्काई मिडल से शादी करना चाहता था। The daughter I Lord Sun, वो लॉर्ड सन में था, लॉर्ड सन से, and Lord Moon he wrote a letter to her father, लॉर्ड सन। वो फादर में ये लेटर पहुँचाना चाहता था। लांडो वार्ड टू रैबिट, वो रैबिट के पास गया एंड सैड हो गया। वो वेल यू टेक दिस लेटर द हेवन टू लॉर्ड सन, मतलब ये स्वर्ग में
उन्होंने पूछा
आप लेटर पहुँचा सकते हो।
हाँ
फिर उसने बोला रैबिट सेड द आई कैन नॉट यू टू हेवन, मैं ये लेटर स्वर्ग में नहीं पहुँचा सकता। नाल्डो वांटेड टू डियर
वेंट
टू डियर एंड सैड, वो सैड हो गया।
सैड नहीं बोला, यानी कि
वो नाल्डो डियर के पास गया। वेल यू टेक दिस लेटर टू हेवन टू लॉर्ड सन, उनने स्वर्ग में ये
उसने
लेटर
पूछा
पहुँचाने के लिए कहा। और नसरत विद्यालय से घर जा रहे थे। रास्ते में उन्हें
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
कारण
उपकरणों
की एक दुकान दिखाई दी। अचानक अव्वल
खिटका
उसने नसरीन से कहा, देखो नसरीन, इस दुकान पर कितने सारे
गैजेट है।
Was a young man named Naldo. एक यंग मैन था, उसका नाम नाल्डो था। He wanted to marry Sky Madam. वो स्काई मैडम से शादी करना चाहता था। The daughter of Lord Sun and Lady Moon. वो लॉर्ड सन और लेडी मून की बेटी थी। He wrote a letter to her father, Lord Sun. उसने लेटर लिखा लॉर्ड सन के लिए। नाल्डो went to rabbit and said, नाल्डो रैबिट के पास गया और कहा, will you take this letter to heaven to Lord Sun? क्या तुम लेटर को स्वर्ग में पहुंचा सकते हो लॉर्ड सन के पास? रैबिट से आई कैन गो टू हेवन, मैं हेवन नहीं जा सकता। नाल्डो went to deer and said, you take this letter to heaven to Lord Sun. नाल्डो went to deer. नाल्डो की नज़र में दुकान की और गई। हाँ, और यहाँ तो मोबाइल से लेकर कंप्यूटर तक सभी गैजेट उपलब्ध है। वह बोला, दुकान पर काफ़ी भीड़ थी। इतनी सारी भीड़ देखकर नस्र चौंक गया। नस्र कौन चौंकता देखकर अव्वल ने कहा, ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल लोगों के लिए इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों से ज़्यादा आवश्यक कुछ नहीं। I can go halfway, but I cannot go to heaven. काऊ ने कहा कि मैं इसे
हॉक यानी कि बाज
ने कहा मैं इसे हेवन तक नहीं पहुंचा सकता।
हाँ, आधे रास्ते तक ही जा सकता हूँ।
Then from camp Naldo and said, why do you not take the letter
yourself?
From the Naldo से कि तुम खुद जाओ, मैं तुमको हेवन तक पहुंचा सकते। Naldo said, I cannot do. कहा कि मैं इसे हेवन तक नहीं पहुंचा सकता। क्षत्रिय ने भी सहमत से
बल्कि
टीवी, कंप्यूटर, मोबाइल, लैपटॉप,
टैबलेट,
टैबलेट आदि पर वीडियो गेम खेले जाते हैं। अगर नाम नक्षत्र की बात
अवर ने नक्षत्र की बात काटते
हुए कहा, हमारी विष्णु
विज्ञान
विज्ञान की अध्यापिका जी ने बताया था कि
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
उपकरणों
का अत्यधिक प्रयोग करने से हमारे
शारीरिक
शारीरिक और मानसिक
स्वास्थ्य
पर पूरा असर पड़ता है। लेनार्डो की अपनी फिल्म मैरी स्काई पैटर्न, एक यंग मैन था जिसका नाम लियोनार्डो था। वो स्काई पैटर्न से शादी करना था, द टुगेदर ऑफ लॉर्ड सन एंड लेडी मून, जो उनकी बेटी थी। लॉर्ड सन और बेटी wrote a letter to her father. Lord Sun, Marlo went to rabbit and said, "Will you take the letter having the Lord Sun?" नालो ने रैबिट से पूछा, रैबिट से बोला, क्या तुम इसको स्वर्ग में लॉर्ड सन के पास पहुंचा सकते हो? रैबिट said, I
cannot
go to heaven. मैं इसको नहीं पहुंचा सकता। नालो
went
said, "Will you take this letter heaven to Lord Sun?" वो डियर के पास गया, उससे कहा, क्या तुम इसको स्वर्ग में लॉर्ड सन के पास पहुंचा सकती हो? डियर said, I cannot go to heaven. मैं नहीं जा सकती। तो लॉर्ड एंड said, उसने उससे बोला, कैन अब लोग टेक अ लेटर टू हेवन कर सकता है? लोग said, but where it is I can do it only if I
Only?
क्या वो कुछ कर सकता है?
क्या कहा फ्रॉग ने?
मैम किरे
whatever it is
whatever it is
I can do it
I can do it
I can do it only if I try.
only if I try.
मतलब
मैम उसने कहा कि
जो भी हो
जो भी हो
मैं कर सकता हूँ
मैं कर सकता हूँ
अगर मैं कोशिश करूँगा तो।
वह कैसे उसने से पूछा, उन्हें बताया कि खुद आदि। उसने पूछा कि वो कैसे पूछेगा, उसने बताया खुद यार आदि को। अरुण ने अधिक योग से स्वर्ग कर कई एक भाव करते हैं, जैसे वह नींद की कमी आदि।
घर जा रहे थे। रास्ते में उन्हें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों गैजेट की एक दुकान दिखाई दी। अचानक
ठिठका
से कहा, देखो नर्स, इस दुकान पर कितने सारे गैजेट हैं। नर्स की नज़र भी दुकान की ओर गई। नार्डो gave Frog a purse of money. Frog took hold of it with his mouth and carried it to the well. The climbed in the waited the fairies from heaven come to the well. One of the bucket bench. Then hide मनी को टेबल पर रखा और छुप गया और निकाल पर बना रहा था चित्र। इतने में वहाँ आ गया यमराज का मित्र। उसे देखकर हो गए होश। नदी पहाड़ पेड़ पत्तों का रह गया
उसको कुछ हिम्मत आई, देख उसे चुपचाप बोला, सुंदर चित्र बना दूं, बैठ जाएगी आप। मुकंडू बैठ गया। वह सारे अंग बटोर बहुत ध्यान से लगा देखने चित्रकार की ओर। चित्रकार ने कहा, हो गया आगे का तैयार। अब Sky Madam said, then it is you I will marry. She took frog back to heaven and married him. They lived on and Naldo is still waiting for his bride.
बात सुनकर रह गया। वह बोला, तो इसका मतलब हमें किसी भी गैजेट का कभी उपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए। नक्षत्र की यह बात सुनकर अक्सर गायब और बोले, नहीं मित्र, ऐसे नहीं। into the bill and the frog jumped into one the fairy. It was that the fairies clambered back up to the web of spiders. They gone into two house of sun and lifted the buckets in a room. Frog was along. He jumped but out of the bucket. Then the fairies went to land to heaven. Frog
नाल्डो daughter
is a
purse
of money. अकबर की बातें ध्यान से सुन रहा था, जैसे कि अवर के अपने बात थोड़ी नशे बोली। अच्छा
मित्र
मैं तुम्हारी सभी बातों पर ध्यान रखूंगी। अवर नक्षत्र की बात सुनकर परेशान हो गया। वह बोला, हे मित्र, इस
महत्वपूर्ण
बातों का ध्यान रखकर ही हमें गैजेट को मित्र बना सकते हैं और इस भूलकर
आनंद
उठा सकते हैं। कहाँ से पढ़े? Lord Sun came for drink water. Lord Sun come पानी पीने आए। He saw letter, open it. He read रोनाल्डो, a man of earth. मैं एक पृथ्वी का वासी हूँ. Wish to marry the sky maiden. मैं स्काई मेडन से शादी करना चाहता हूँ. Your daughter.
of the thing that makes me very happy. There is love for the wind and
promise
promise
to be active than on. बताओ क्या समझ आया? जब वो सब घर जाने से पहले उन्होंने कहा कि अब से वो हमेशा, तेज बोलो, अब से वो हमेशा खुश रहेंगे और एक्टिव रहेंगे. Delighted
He knew that being active helped everyone feel good and made the kingdom a happier place from that day forward. The people of the kingdom made sure to include play and activities in their daily lives. The next day, King Leo decided to make active day. लोग बहुत एक्टिव हो गए थे.
काफ़ी खुश रहने लगे थे वो.
काफ़ी खुश रहने लगे थे और वो हर काम में
अच्छे हो गए थे. हाँ,
एक्टिव रह गए थे.
उन्होंने एक्टिविटीज क्या करी?
एक्टिविटीज रोज करने लगे.
ठीक है.
Time bound by the kingdom. Time bound by the kingdom become famous for its fun and active lifestyle. People from nearby lands would wish to join in the games. They admired King Leo for his energy and kindness. The kingdom rose. From that moment on, active day become of cherished tradition in the kingdom. It wasn't just about the game, it was about the joy of being together and the bonds that were formed through shared leisure and activities. The emergency and excitement as we turned into months, new activities were introduced. There were storytelling seasons where actors,
Shared
tells from their
youth
cooking contests that Bridget also created charity events where the games and activities were dedicated to helping
बेटा वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
spirit of giving and unity from
Strength and
the
community. तेज बोलो बेटा.
community fostering a sense of belonging and purpose among the people.
बस जाओ. तेज.
Grew up with the values of health, happiness, and community, and the spread on rainy days when playing outside was
तेज बोलो बेटा।
impossible. The pupil found ways to stay active and have fun indoors.
मैम ग्रीव
Children grew up with the values of health, happiness, and community, and the spirit of active day lived on through generation, even on rainy day when play outside was impossible. The pupil found way to stay active and have fun indoors. King
लियो's legacy
Legacy was not just in the game they played but in the strong, vibrant community that
thrives
thrived because of his effort.
King Leo's legacy was not just in the games they played, but in the strong, vibrant community that thrived because of the efforts. Every storybook that told of his bring ended with tales of joy and the simple yet powerful lesson that being active brings people together. The kingdom continued to prosper, united by the together and love that active day. Proud in
Upon a time in a forby kingdom there was a king named King Lee. Was not like an other king. He loved to be active and enjoyed playing games every day. He would run, jump, and dance, making everyone in the kingdom smile. Kingdom counted to prosper, united by the nature and love that active day brought into their lives. King Lee was remembered not just as a ruler but as a friend to all, and his story was passed down with fondness and pride, and so the legend of King Leo and his active day lived on in every game played.
जाओ।
ये जो राजा है बहुत एक्टिव रहता है और ये चाहता है मेरे गांव वाले भी बहुत एक्टिव रहे और गेम खेलना पसंद करें. King Leo developed that being active was very important for everyone, including himself. He often said, "A healthy body make a happy king." His favorite game was playing with the children in the place garden. They would
जो किंग लियो था वो बहुत एक्टिव था और
उसे गेम खेलना पसंद था।
उसे गेम खेलना पसंद था और उसके जो काम वाले थे वो बिल्कुल लेज़ी थे। तो उसने बोला कि उसको, क्योंकि वो खुद एक्टिव था तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं गाँव वालों को भी एक्टिव करूँ, तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे गेम खेले।
हेल्थी।
A healthy body makes a happy king. His favorite game was playing tag with the children in the place garden. They wound launch the run around the king. Leo awakes mates sure to join in the fun. One day, his king noticed that some people in his kingdom were not very active. They spent a lot of time setting एक किंगडम था। वहाँ के जो लोग थे वो सुस्त थे। तो राजा ने बोला था जिनको खेलना है वो यहाँ पर आ जाए।
Once active day, the place was filled with excitement. Children, adults, and even the elder gathered in the garden. King Leo started the day with a fun warm-up dance. Everyone laughed and moved their bodies. Then they played different games like tug of war, sack races, and a big game of tug. तो राजा ने एक एक्टिव डे रखा और जब एक्टिव डे रखा तो पूरा उसका पैलेस एक्साइटमेंट से भर गया। चिल्ड्रंस, अडल्ट और सारे एल्डर्स सारे उसमें आ गए। गार्डन में सब आ गए। चिल्ड्रंस आ गए, बच्चे आ गए, एडल्ट और एल्डर सारे आ गए। किंग लियो स्टार्टेड द डे विद फन एंड वार्म अप डांस। किंग लियो ने डे को एक्टिव डे को स्टार्ट करा फन और वार्म अप से एंड डांस से। एवरीवन लाफ्ड एंड मूव देयर बॉडी। सारे लोग हंसने लगे और अपनी बॉडी को हिलाने लगे। देन दे प्ले डिफरेंट गेम और वो सारे फिर अलग अलग गेम खेलने लगे जैसे कि टग ऑफ वॉर, सैक रेसिंग और बड़े बड़े गेम और खेलने लगे।
At first some people were shy and didn't want to join in, but King Leo encouraged them, saying, "Come on, let's play together. It's so much fun." Slowly everyone joined in, and soon the garden was filled with laughter and joy. As the day went on, everyone felt happier and more energetic.
बस
पहले जो लोग थे वो किंग लियो के
वो शर्मा रहे थे।
पहले जो लोग थे वो शर्मा रहे थे। एक दिन किंग लियो आया और उन्हें इंकरेज किया, यानी कि बढ़ावा दिया। फिर वो सब उसके पास खेलने आने लगे और फिर बस। As the day went to, everyone felt happy and more engaged. Their enjoy begin activity through and King Lo's smile provided. By the end of the day, everyone was tired but very happy. They thanked King Lo for the wonderful day and promised to be more active from them one. King Lo was delighted and तब वो घर गए तो लियो ने देखा कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे और हैप्पी भी थे।
Why the kingdom became famous for its fun and active lifestyle. People from nearby lands would visit to join in the games. They admired King Leo for his energy and kindness. The kingdom flourished with joy, and everyone looked forward to each active day, bringing the community closer. Delighted.
He kind
New.
new new big
That.
that
I mean.
begin
Active.
helping everyone
Feel.
feel good and mood and
Made the.
make the kingdom a
Happier.
pray for in the and King
Leo. Thought.
thought
Everyone.
everyone did
That. Being. Reading नहीं आती. Try करो. Active. Was. Not. Just. About. Playing. But. Also. About. Being. Together. कुछ करो. Sharing. क्या लिखा है बताओ. Happiness.
and
Make और ing. Making.
new friend.
जाओ.
For our kingdom, there was a kingdom named King Leo. King Leo was not like any other king. He loved to be active and enjoyed playing games every day. He would run, jump and dance, making everyone in the kingdom smile. इसमें एक लियो था, वो बहुत एक्टिव और डांस करता था, नाचता कूदता रहता था और वो खेलता भी था. इसमें बहुत से लोग खेलते नहीं थे, तो बहुत ज़्यादा बैठे रहते थे आलसी की तरह. फिर लियो ने ना गाँव में एक गेम्स डे ओपन किया.
Long ago, before there was anything in the universe, no stars shining in the sky, no blue
Ocean.
no green forest, on animal roaming the land, and on people free. There was only good exit in the great scene, or surrounded by nothing but endless
बस. अरे सेकंड चैप्टर पर आ गए.
tried to
keep his voice steady. I think
I am someone
who believes in doing the right thing. He replied, it's not right to read authors like that. Etham sneered. Well, maybe you should mind your own business. Just as Etham was about to
pounce
on me, a voice came from behind them.
him alone at home. He said, do right in a small village named Sundarpur. There lived a young boy named Veer. He was
known
for his kindness
and courage.
He
Always
always tried to do the right
thing
thing and
became
became a hero in his village. Veer was his
quiet
quiet boy
who
who loved to read and spend time with his family. He was
always
always
polite
and helpful to others. We thanked Veer and the girls for their help. Veer and Rohan walked to school together, talking about their favorite books and
hobbies.
From that day on, they became good friends, and we learned that doing the right thing, even if it is scary, can have a profound impact on the lives of others. Moral, true
Courage
courage means standing up for what is right even when you are afraid. The older boys
were
were shocked by Veer's sudden
intervention.
intervention. They looked at each other, their faces twisted in anger and confusion. One of them, a particularly dangerous looking boy named Ethan, stepped forward. Who are you? He said with a grin. He took a deeper
Shorty, speak loud. Take follow.
that he wanted to be brave, looking it Rohan, who looked so we give the strength to speak. You actually is about actually who he world after we feel I if actually there in Rohan's place and actually how we would went want so will to actually help actually of older boys known for their naive antics were surrounding a younger boy named Rohan looked scared as they moved him and demanded his lunch money. We knew I was not right, but he felt a wave of fear wash over him. eyes before, and he was not sure if he would be able to handle the consequences. अब स्टार्ट करें.
boy
This
with to breathe in space time with his family. He was another helpful the another, but he also got a little say and using of himself. One morning, as he was walking to school, he saw things that moved his head but fast.
this is weird. Remember grandmother had told him best friend.
So this is seaweed. Remember, our story is grandmother has told him about a brave warrior who stood up for the weak and helpless. He thought about now his grandmother had always encouraged him to be kind and courageous or no matter what. With a deep breath, he decided to do the right thing. Group of older girls, Veer's friends, had arrived on the sands. It's not nice to bully people. One of the girls, Anya, said sternly, we should all be kind to each other. Rohan was relieved and grateful. He thanked Veer and the girls for their help. Veer and Rohan walked to school together, talking about their favorite books and hobbies. From that day on, they became good friends, and we learned that doing the right thing, even if it's scary, can have a profound impact on the lives of others.
His heart started to beat faster as he said what
Speak loud.
he told it was right, and even he seemed a light scared. He called just walk away. Hello? He tried to keep his voice steady. I think I am sorry. This. You in doing the right thing. He replied, it's
Speak loud, Kavya.
not right to treat others like that. Just a noun was you too.
बारिश आया है वो नहीं करी है मजा आया ले बताना हो फेंको इसको तुम्हारी वो सीनियर मॉनिटर को बता देना कि तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कर देंगे बढ़िया वाली और हाँ तुम्हारी क्लास में जो बच्चे आएंगे बड़ी क्लास के ड्यूटी करेंगे
You should mind your own business.
यहाँ से पढ़नी है ध्यान दो ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ो थप्पड़ पड़ेगा बिल्कुल फालतू का
और तुम और
round a bonfire on Holy Earth. They often make his life to guests and friends. Here, lads are told not to let to the village.
walking to school, something made his heartbeat fastest. Group older boys known for their bullying antics were surrounding a younger boy scared as they mocked demanded lunch.
To be
Kind,
and
courageous,
on material
matter, what
with a
deep
breath he
decided
to do the right thing.
weeds hurt
step to
beat
fast
as he
was
saw
so
what
what have
was happening.
he
Knew
was right and
Is what it was not right
it was not right
and
and
even
even
though
though he
felt
felt a
little scared.
scared
At
at
Rohan,
Rohan
who
who
looked
looked
so
so
frightened,
certain have with
strength
the strength to
speak
eat
up.
as
He
he
thought
thought
about
about how
he
he
would
would
feel
feel
if
if
he
he
were
were
Rohan's
place
place.
and
How
how
he
he
would
would
want
want
someone
someone to
help
help
him.
It
Was not
was not right,
but
he
felt
felt a
wave
wave of
fear
fear
wash
was
over
over
him.
him. He had
Never
never faced
bullying
bullying
before,
before, and he
was not
was not
sure
sure
if
if he
would
would
be
be
able
to
handle
handle the
consequences.
consequences.
Consequences. Older were shocked by Veer's sudden intervention. They looked at each other. Their faces twisted in anger and confusion. One of them, a particularly dangerous looking boy named Ethan, stepped forward. Who are you? He said with a grow. How
Wonderful. If you
in Rohan's how would want someone help him stabbed his voice shaking slightly didn't wrong each bothering could not just walk away. He took a deep breath, reminding himself that he wanted to be brave. Looking at Rohan, who looked so frightened, gave Veer the strength to speak up. It was not right.
It was right, but he felt a wave of fear was over him. He had never
Faced bullies
before, and he
was not
was
sure
sure it he would be
able
to handle the
consequences.
as he said,
Saw
so this can
seen
will remember a story his grandmother had told him about a
brave
brave
warrior
warriors who stood up for a faith and
helpless
Veer stepped
forward,
as
his
his
voice slightly fair did not wrong should all
helping each
other
not
bothering,
other. He
saw
saw
this,
these seconds
seen,
seen the clear
remembered
remember a story
his
his
grandmother
grandmother
had
had
told
told
him.
him period
Brave
brave
warrior
warrior
stood
stood the
up
up for the
weak,
weak and placed
helpless.
her
He
he
thought
thought
about
about
how
how
his
his grandmother
grandmother had
had
always
always
encouraged.
encouraged. But he also
Felt
felt a little shy and
unsure
unsure himself one morning as he was walking to school. He saw something that made his
heartbeat
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 heartbeat. A
Fast.
group of older boys known for their bullies and is were
surrounding
surrounding a younger boy named
Rohan,
Rohan looked
scared,
scared as they looked him.
mocked him,
Hid a diamond is
demanded
demanded he lunch.
was quite boy who loved read, spend time with his family. He was always polite, helpful others, but also felt little shy, unsure of himself. Group older weeds friends had arrived on scene. Bully Anya said sternly, should kind each other Rohan was relieved, grateful.
He thought about how his grandmother had always
Encouraged,
encouraged him to be kind and
courageous,
courageous no matter what. With a deep breath, he decided to do the right thing. Was
Veer's
Veer's heart started to beat faster as he saw what was happening. He
knew
it
was
wasn't
not
right, and even thought he felt a little
scared,
He
could not
just walk away. He took a deep breath, reminding himself that he wanted to be brave. Looking at अरे नाम नक्षत्र की बात
अवर ने नक्षत्र की बात काटते
हुए कहा, हमारी विष्णु
विज्ञान
विज्ञान की अध्यापिका जी ने बताया था कि
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों
का अत्यधिक उपयोग करने से हमारे
शारीरिक
शारीरिक और मानसिक
स्वास्थ्य
पर पूरा असर पड़ता है। young man named Naldo, he wanted to marry his firefighter. एक young man था जिसका नाम नाल्डो था, वो इस firefighter से शादी करना था। The together of Lord Sun and Lady Moon, जो उनकी बेटी थी, Lord Sun और Lady Moon, wrote a letter to her father, Lord Sun. Naldo wanted to rabbit and said, "Will you take the letter having the Lord Sun?" नालो ने रैबिट को पकड़ा, रैबिट से बोला, क्या तुम इसको स्वर्ग में लॉर्ड सन के पास पहुंचा सकते हो? रैबिट said, I
cannot
go to heaven. मैं इसको नहीं पहुंचा सकता। नालो wanted to dear and
Went.
said, "Will you take this letter heaven to Lord Sun?" वो डियर के पास गया, उससे कहा, क्या तुम इसको स्वर्ग में लॉर्ड सन के पास पहुंचा सकती हो? डियर सेड, I cannot go to heaven. मैं नहीं जा सकती। The Lord and said, उसने उससे बोला, can a frog take a letter to heaven? हेवन कर सकता है। Frog said, but where it is I can do it only if I
Only?
क्या वो कुछ कर सकता है?
क्या कहा फ्रॉग ने?
मैम क्रिएट
Whatever it is,
whatever it is,
I can do it. I can do it
I can do it
only if I try.
only if I try.
मतलब
मैम उसने कहा कि
जो भी हो
जो भी हो
मैं कर सकता हूँ
मैं कर सकता हूँ
अगर मैं कोशिश करूँगा तो।
वह कैसे उसने उससे पूछा, उन्हें बताया कि कुछ आदि, उसने पूछा कि वो कैसे पूछेगा, उसने बताया कुछ यार आदि को। अरुण ने अधिक योग से स्वर कर कई भाव होते हैं जैसे नींद की कमी आदि। Festival are special days. We celebrate them with our family, friends, neighborhood, and relatives. Celebrating festival with our family is great fun. We all get together to celebrate the festival. We greet each other and exchange gifts on most festivals. India is the land of festivals. We celebrate many national and religious festivals. However, we also celebrate some harvest festivals. Now,
बेटा स्पीक डाउन उमेश देखो
this festival यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक mountains they are believed to best friend. They celebrate
महराज स्पीक डाउन बेटा बढ़ दो बस embrace wish तेज मुबारक ज़्यादा है
mark the end of winter and the beginning of summer.
They people go to the school to revive and sing. Telugu festival are celebration by people of different religion. Some of these are